Hey guys, Kelsey from Corner Coffee here. Today I'm going to be showing you how we make our orange ritual. Now the orange ritual has a little bit of a reputation around here at Corner. We had it as a spring drink earlier this year and it was so popular we had to bring it back. So this time we are bringing it back and adding a little bit of a fall kick to it. So to start off, I already have my milk weighed out, but I am going to be adding ritual chocolate to the milk and steam it up with that because it steams into the milk really nicely and it gives you a really nice texture and chocolatey consistency to everything. So I'm going to be adding 20 grams of the chocolate to my already portioned out milk, which was 270 grams of milk. We serve our orange ritual in a 12-ounce size, and this is our mug for here. Now that we have our milk and chocolate portioned out, we are going to get our mug ready for the drink. We're going to be adding 10 grams of our house-made vanilla syrup, as well as 4 healthy-sized dashes of these orange bitters. These are from Fee Brothers, and they smell so good. Now that I have my syrup ready and my chocolate milk concoction ready, I'm gonna pull some shots and pour a latte. So now I have my espresso in with my syrup and my bitters here, and then here I have my chocolatey, milky goodness. It's all steamed together and it comes out very beautifully. And then to finish this drink off and give it a slight fall twist, we're gonna add just a touch of ground cloves to the top. And there you have your orange ritual. Mmm.